Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Data Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to explore option change. Okay, so as we know, there is two types of option data we can get. That is BTC and ETH, and only two options are allowed to trade. I mean, especially the crypto, which is you can trade in option buying, selling, and all those stuff which you want to do is BTC and ETH, and there is a daily expiry there, weekly and monthly. Okay, so right now in this, what happens? Whatever we data have, okay, it is public, so you don't have to get anywhere to call API or something like that. The only thing is that is not public in private, that is our personal data, and for that reason we need to authenticate. Okay, so I'm just gonna call in a simple way. Everything lies in URL. Okay, so as we go with any kind of Indian market, the data whatever they give, it won't be much transparency as this. Their personal data, as you can say, that you need to authorize, but the freedom which you get as per the data, okay, will be only possible in this crypto. Okay, so before getting into this, I must say that you should have an account to deal with your personal data, and if you don't have, just go with this stuff. Just open, and you need to have API key, API secret, and whitelisted IP address. So I have already done videos and coding part how you can get all those stuff and get started with all the stuff. You can check it out in my channel as well as my website. Okay, so codings are available. So if you want to get with the docs, you just click the API part as an algo hub. You can create the API since we are looking for the docs. So we just click on the explore docs and we will go over there. So in this, what happens, there is already URL available, but I think if you try, you will get an error. Okay, so we just look for this stuff, and it is definitely available in the products. So in a single call, so what we are doing, we are just a single API call, we are fetching the option chain data as of BTC and ETH. Okay. So what you have to do is you can copy paste, otherwise you can follow my steps. But if you try this stuff, you will get issues or error. So I just rectify this stuff, and let's do this stuff. Okay, even I think you can get this, but what happens, we just take it out extra stuff and only focus on URL and getting the data. So let's get to ID, get started. Okay, so let's begin our coding part. So all we have to do is import request. Okay, and then next we have to call the URL. So this is the main part which is required. So all we have to say is HTTPS API, and it is belong to India, delta dot exchange. Okay, and version 2 you have to give. There will be tickers will be there, and parameters we have to give. So contract underscore types equals what, call options and put options. Okay, as easy. Okay, and here we have to put the comma. So syntax is important, especially URL. So follow this stuff, and we have to say underlying underscore asset underscore symbols. Okay, and after this we have to give the expiry date. So this we have to call, and same thing we have to call in our format as well. We'll put the same thing. Okay, no change. And if it gives any kind of error, you can do some letter change or word change, anything. So I think what we got, we'll try to put here, and we call the underlying asset symbol. Okay, so we have to say this stuff, and in this we have to say nothing. We just have to call the symbol. So I'm gonna call the BTC, and expiry date will be in a date, month, year format. So that will be tomorrow's. Okay, 10/2025. Okay, so daily expiries will be there, weekly as well as monthly. You can put whatever you want, and after this we just have to call the stuff in JSON. So straight away we can call as a request dot get URL. Okay, and that should be in a JSON. Okay, if anything persists or anything which you are doing, okay, if it is required some headers or parameters, just put certain over there. Okay, so let's see this stuff. Okay, so we got our data, and we got each and everything. It consists with the symbol, tick size, timestamp, okay, and even the delta, gamma, theta, okay, and RHO, spot. So many of things is available. Open interest value. Okay, so all of the things is available. Whichever are required to be filled, it is there, and some of the things for the data you can check in ticker as well. Okay, so you just call the symbol name and you can get this. So we're definitely gonna utilize this stuff in our next video and see how we can do a lot of calling. Like, you can get the price, and from this you can call the symbol name. So that is also can be done. You need to mention, and we can prepare full option chain from this, and we can full calculation will help of for delta, gamma, RHO, okay, theta, vega. So many of the things which we try to get. Okay, as of right now, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.